I'm Alex Nimbimanya, Project Coordinator, Community Empowerment for Rural Development. We are under the program Child Education Project, and we have 204 youth under skilling program in the Koma Nsimbi and the Chota district.
The project, working with its partners, have designed interventions that are targeting these children with skills that can promote acquisition of gainful employment. In Masaka, where we are intervening in coffee growing households and targeting children that are 14 years and above, the circumstances that have caused children dropping out of school include the HIV and AIDS pandemic, endemic poverty, and more recently the COVID-19 pandemic. We have seen youths starting to earn an income from just 3 months of training. These incomes are transforming the coffee households from which these youth are coming from. We have seen youths that are able to meet their basic daily needs, and a number of these youths are now paying school fees of their siblings. So this intervention is also contributing to reduction of child labor.
We are implementing a child education project that is going to last for the 3 years. Human rights is at the center of our standard. Towards the onset of COVID, children spent 2 years without going to school. And we looked at interventions to work together with stakeholders such as coffee companies, local NGOs, schools, to ensure that we have children back at school.
This model seeks to build community structures that will respond to child labor sustainably. This is by establishing community volunteer groups that monitor, remediate, and address child labor. These communities are also encouraging the formation of village savings and loan associations. The households are able to borrow resources at low interest rates and invest in other businesses. By improving their earnings, they're able to take their children to school and retain them in school.
I buy coffee and take it to Kyagalanyi. Then I see something like benefits. Then I plan for my children and I manage to get school fee. Yeah.
It also seeks to create awareness on issues of child labor and build a conducive learning environment at schools. This by creating school clubs, debating clubs, and establishing structures that disseminate skills in making reusable sanitary pads so as to keep the girl child in school. The project is seeking to strengthen the interaction and partnership between the community structures and the government structures.
Yes, so we have seen that the area-based approach is working in the communities. So we would like to use these learnings to progress to other areas in the country, not only in the coffee sector, but other sectors, to keep piloting and implementing human rights projects such as the Child Education Project.